Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing video number 9 for the 10 disaster planning essential for small businesses. Number 9 today is maintaining your system. Super critical. There's a gazillion of vulnerabilities out there that are available to hackers, scammers, everybody pretty much, to be able to break into your system, steal your data, look at what you're doing and all that stuff, look at your client data. You want to make sure you're always updating everything, right? From all of your personal devices, cell phones, laptops, tablets, servers. You got your firewalls, you got your routers, switches, access points, every single device that's connected to the internet. Smart devices, they all need to be updated. All of them have vulnerabilities. If you do not update those, then the hackers can easily penetrate your network using those devices. In fact, most of these, biggest security breaches that happened because of not applied updates or firmwares, right? I remember a couple of years ago, not the MGM one, but in Las Vegas, I forget which casino it was, but one of the bigger ones, the hackers broke into the casino, stole the entire client list of all the VIP and whales and everybody. And the way they got in is through a thermostat in an aquarium, because that thermostat was connected to the entire network. The thermostat had vulnerabilities. It was not patched. It was not updated. Easy enough. Somebody walking with a laptop connected to the thermostat, got into their systems, downloaded the entire list of their clients, right? We're talking about the high-end clients. They now have access a lot of personal information of all of the richest people in the world just from that thermostat. There's a lot of those things. If you guys remember not too long ago as well, Ring cameras, right? They had a huge vulnerability where people were able to hack into the cameras, monitor the live feed of those cameras. Not only that, they were also able to communicate using those cameras. It has a speaker and a microphone, so they were able to talk. Just imagine that. Everything that's connected to the internet has flaws. There's constant vulnerabilities that discovered. You need to make sure you regularly patch it. One of those things that we recommend and we do for our clients is regular, vulnerability scanning, right? Both internal and external. You want to make sure that there's nothing that gets missed, because this is probably, outside of email, this is the number 2/1 way that hackers get in, steal data, deploy ransomware and all that stuff. Even if they get in through email, they might not have much access, right? But if there's other vulnerabilities internal that are not patched, well, now they have full access. So you always want to make sure you maintain your systems, all of them updated all the time, as soon as possible. As soon as a vulnerability is released, typically within a short period of time, there's going to be a patch. You want to apply that patch or update as soon as it's out. That's like the biggest thing you can do to save your business. If you guys need help with that, if you want to get a free vulnerability assessment or a report, please click the link below. We'll get that done for you at no cost. We're trying to save 1 million businesses. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of ITfirm.com. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.